Hi, I'm Rush Wilson, and we're doing the ABCs of clothing. And today I'm going to talk about D, the letter D, and that stands for Dopp Kit. Back in the early 20th century, a man named Charles Dopp created the toiletry bag, which later became, as a government issue for our GIs in World War I, everyone ended up calling it the Dopp bag, the Dopp Kit. And then as it goes along, back in 1970, Samsonite bought the name, and then it is synonymous with toilet kit. And E stands for Epaulette. Epaulette is a strap that is sewn on the shoulder, typically in military uniforms, to display insignia or rank, but has grown into regular fashion to kind of make reference to a military style jacket. This happens to be a Prince Charlie jacket worn with a kilt. The next letter of the alphabet we're going to discuss in clothing is F. F is for flannel, and flannel started out as a coarse wool that was brushed and carded to give it a soft, fluffy appearance and touch and surface. Today we see flannels in shirtings that give you a cozy feel, or in pants or blazers or sport coats or suits that the surface, the worsted wool or the cottons, have been carded and napped to give a soft texture and a comfortable, cozy feel.